chenro makamak ndewi wachno kabele kurangyo mago mag siasa odiochieng' mokwongo mar lalruok e kind Kenya Kwanza kod Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance chalo makoro luar luanda bang' kweth ariyo gore mchope winjruok mar kaka winjore tatwak chuno kweth go mondo koro gidog kuotho kod tende ruogego mondo miyo migi ler ewi pek mar weche makelo pogruok. Walter Nyambaga miyo mathoth.
E kinde romo mar ariyo mar kweth Kenya Kwanza kod riwruok mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance boma Nairobi, jokombe kamiti ji 14 oketa yanga ni twak margi othachupi kendo winjruok oluar luanda, wach mamiyo nyaka gidog kuom jotendgi ma en jatend piny William Ruto kod ogai mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga.
We've hit a stalemate and we've suspended these talks until such time as there might be consensus along the lines reached or the position changes.
But the talks are not, they are not suspended per se, they are just adjourned. Honorable Otiende Amolo, the co-chair of the Azimio coalition, and myself to meet His Excellency the President, William Samoei Ruto, as an appointing authority, and also meet the former Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, as a co-principal and appointing authority, so that we can give them a report.
Gigo mosebedo badho network okelo kanyakla nyono ja od bura ma Eldas Aden Kainan mar duond bura mar Jubilee kanyakla mar Kenya Kwanza kod ja od bura ma Pokot David Kosing manie kweth Azimio e kata odoko ni duond buche mar Kenya Union Party to siro Kenya Kwanza.
The position stated by Azimio may be correct even with the registrar of political parties and everywhere else. However, as a matter of fact, that may not be the case, because as far as Azimio is concerned, they have expressly expressed their intention to work with Kenya Kwanza.
The Jubilee Party has not signed any post-election agreement with the Kenya Kwanza team. The position so far is that Jubilee still remains in Azimio. They have not exercised their rights under the coalition agreement to withdraw. And as such, there is no way one member of Jubilee who is part of Azimio can be part of the membership of the opposite team.
Utinda molo lero ni Aden Kainan, en jalup Wycliffe Oparanya ma en jakom mar Azimio, ka David Kosing to en jalup jakeno mar Azimio, gino mamiyo ok giseyiere weche mag jwang'o duond buche mag siasa, ka ok oluorruok kod chike matayo duond buche mag siasa go, e kaka ondike kod apisi marango duond buche mag siasa, midendo ni ORPP.
The Honorable Aden Kainan is a vice chair to the chair of Azimio, and that remains to date. The Honorable Kosing is the deputy leader, and as such has not made any motion or any indications to move. I will also have you know that the Honorable Kosing holds the position of deputy treasurer in Azimio to date.
Kenya Kwanza kod Azimio e koro dong kod yiero manyalo kelo winjruok e kaka ka jodito ma Kenya Kwanza ogolo jo od bura ariyogo e kata jo od bura go yiere mar wuok gino wuon e kamiti go ma oko sundgi.
We can go for a win-win situation in these talks, which means no side loses. And the only way that can happen is for the two core principles or the coalitions themselves to withdraw the objections. If that happens, it means Honorable Kainan and Honorable Kosing continue to sit in these particular talks. It's a win-win for everybody.
Is if our appointing authority choose to withdraw any of those gentlemen on their own accord, because that can also be done.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.